Hello Mad Makers! Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun frog drawing. I'm going to be using a great book by Ed Emberley. It's a drawing book of animals, and he shows step by step how to draw them. And I'm going to show you how to make this frog. Okay, let's get started. You're going to need a piece of paper and some markers. I'm going to use green, black, and orange today. You can choose to use whatever colors you want. All right, step one, we're going to draw a big rainbow shape. Once I've drawn that shape, I'm going to draw a line across the bottom. Then I'm going to draw 2 circles on the top. Just little circles. Now I'm going to draw a mini rainbow here and connect them on the bottom. I'm going to draw another mini rainbow here and connect them on the bottom. I'm going to draw a triangle here, a triangle here, and 2 more triangles in the middle. Now I'm going to draw a rainbow inside here. It's just going to be a skinny rainbow. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go all the way around and come back here. Now we're going to color some of this in. I'm going to color this part in between my 2 little rainbows here. And get this all colored in. Okay. Now I'm going to color this part in and color this part in. I'm going to color all my other triangles. I'm going to fill all my other triangles in. And I'm going to color this last rainbow shape. My last step with my green marker is to draw a line coming up here and a line coming up here. Now I'm going to grab my black marker and I'm going to make my frog eyeballs. So I'm going to make a little circle in here and a little circle in here. And now I'm going to make some froggy nostrils by just doing 2 little dots, however big you want them to be. And my last step is to draw my mouth. I can do that with my black marker, or I could change to a different color. I'm going to use orange. So I'm going to make a nice big rainbow shape in here. And you can leave your mouth like this. Kind of looks like a sad froggy. Or if you want your frog to look like it's croaking, you can draw a line across here and then you can color this whole part in. It's up to you to decide. And there you have it. That's your frog. Once you're finished, you can always think about adding a lily pad underneath your frog, or maybe some water, some sun in the background. Maybe there's some fish down under here. It's up to you to add all the details that you think look great. I hope you enjoyed watching and got to make a frog along with me. Stay tuned for more videos to come.